If you're not willing to sacrifice for your dreams, get ready to sacrifice your dreams. Why do 99% of people stay broke, stuck, and frustrated? Today, I'm giving you the brutal truth and how you can be the 1% who escapes. This isn't just another get-rich-quick talk. This is about your mindset, your habits, your decisions when nobody's watching. You see, staying broke? That's easy. Escaping it? That takes a warrior mentality. Part 1. Why 99% stay broke. 1. They think they have time. I'll do it next week. Every delay costs you opportunities you don't even realize you're losing. The clock is ticking, whether you act or not. 2. They prioritize comfort over growth. Watching Netflix instead of building skills. Choosing easy over meaningful. Growth feels uncomfortable. Get used to it. 3. They chase quick money, not long-term skills. You don't get rich chasing trends. You build real wealth by mastering valuable skills. 4. They fear judgment. What will people think? The killer of dreams. Truth is, nobody successful cares about opinions. Part 2. How you escape. 1. Ruthless self-discipline. Wake up earlier. Study when others party. Show up when it's boring, when it's hard, when nobody's clapping. 2. Build high-income skills. Copywriting, sales, coding, branding, leadership. Learn what the market values and then become dangerously good at it. 3. Play the long game. Think 5 years ahead, not 5 minutes. Stack skills. Build reputation. Earn experience. 4. Surround yourself with winners. Audit your circle. If your friends aren't building, they're breaking you. 5. Relentless execution. Planning is sexy, but execution wins. Speed matters. Imperfect action beats perfect intentions every time. Nobody's coming to save you. No mentor, no guru, no course, unless you decide to save yourself. The 1%, they aren't special. They just decided, and they never quit. Now the question, you ready to decide too? If you're serious about becoming the 1%, hit that subscribe button, and let's build greatness together. Drop a in the comments if you're ready to level up. This is just the beginning.